Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh cool, I just noticed a match literally the wall behind me. But anyways, if you clicked on this video, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie, and yeah, you guys want to see what I got from Sephora. So let me tell you a long story short. I got a gift card from Sephora on Christmas for my sister, and I just got, I just used it like literally 3 days ago. So the first product that I got from Sephora is the Best Skin Ever Perfect Natural Finish Long Wear Foundation. Hence, I'm actually wearing it right now. So this foundation is definitely recommended for people who don't really like to use heavy foundations or anything like that. I absolutely loved it, but once again, I have a video on it. Go watch it. The second product that I got, I'm always looking for like really good but affordable blushes, and I got the Sephora blush, and it is in the color Heated N16, and I think it is so natural. I actually also have it on right now. I'm going to be saying that throughout the whole video because I did already try on all these products and I have nothing but good things to say about them. So this is the color. Let me open it for you guys. So this is what it looks like open. I recommend this 100%. The color is absolutely gorgeous. So the third product that I got, let me tell you, I also have it on, and it is the Too Faced limited edition lip injection extreme, but this is in the cinnamon scented. And let me tell you guys, I tried it on, I put it on my lips, and I literally wanted to go running to the bathroom sink to take it off. I just felt like this tingling sensation to the point where I felt in my head like it wasn't normal, like it was a little bit too extreme. And it's so funny because it says extreme here, but anyways, yeah, I just felt like my lips were burning, like they wanted to fall off. But funny story, my sister actually had tried it before me, like she has one as well, and she literally told me the next morning that she had to take it off. She doesn't want to use it anymore. But me, on the other hand, I'm usually more sensitive than she is. Packaging is even so cute. There's a little bear there, and it's red. This is like perfect promo for Valentine's Day. But here it is. It's absolutely so cute. It literally has bears all over. And it is in the cinnamon, I think it is. It's cinnamon scented. So yeah, you definitely are going to be tasting that if you kiss anyone. The next product that I bought, I'm telling you, pause this video, go to Sephora right now. Well, don't literally. I don't know if I should say that, because if you guys make this sell, I'm gonna cry. But basically, it is one of Replica's perfumes, and this one is Beach Walk. I got this as a sample during Christmas. I walked right back in and I said, where do I buy it? Where is it? It smells so good. So to kind of explain it to you guys, the fragrance description, it says it's sun-kissed salty skin. I don't know. I just think I need to smell it in order to describe it. It's, if you like a musk smell, a little girly, but a little mature, you're gonna love this. I don't know, I think it smells so good. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I don't really like fruity scented perfumes. I just feel like they smell young. I kind of like an old lady smell. But I swear this doesn't stink. Oh my god, this just smells like what you need to smell like after you shower and get all like ready. This is the type of perfume you're going to get compliments on, and I feel like there's nothing better than wearing a perfume or a fragrance that you get complimented on, because it, you know, it really does like speak for itself that it does smell so amazing. Oh my god, try the Replica line. I want literally the big one. This little thing right here cost me 30 bucks. The big one, or original like size, it costs, I believe, 130, and I'm definitely gonna go get it. Once again, this is by the brand Replica, and it is Beach Walk. The next thing that I got from Sephora, this is hilarious. I got some eyelashes, and the packaging is so beautiful. Like, look at this packaging. I think this is literally what made me buy it. And this is also by the brand Sephora, and they are the Aquamarine Multidimensional Prism Lash. But I have a secret, guys. I don't know why I bought this. I don't even know how to put lashes on. Minutes before me filming this video, I tried to put on the other pair, and I couldn't put them on for the life of me. So if you guys have any recommendations on how to put on lashes and how to learn to put on lashes the easiest way, please let me know, because I literally just ruined a pair trying to look cute for you guys. So yeah, but tell me the packaging wouldn't get you guys too. And also, along with the lashes, I got the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive Glue. Once again, I don't know for what, because I don't know how to put lashes on. But once I do learn, maybe I'll be using this. But I got the, I believe the dark tone, yep, the dark tone color. So yeah, this is another thing that I bought that I probably won't be using. Sample. And this is the Milk Makeup Foundation. And since it is a sample, look how tiny it is. And the color is tan, and I think that this is like a perfect color because I can use it to like bronze or like contour and all that. So yeah, this was a sample, but I feel like I will definitely buy the full-size product. Like, it's so pretty, so creamy, and the color is so beautiful. So yeah, now the next thing that I got from Sephora was actually a eyeshadow palette. And I don't know, just caught my attention. I wanted to try on my whole full face of makeup. I actually have it on right now. It's like gold and peach. So this is what the box looks like. It is I Love by the brand Sephora, and basically their medium warm eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like once you open them. I think these colors are so good because you can use them for the summer, you can use them for the fall, literally every season, especially if you like warm tones. I think this is so perfect. You can even use this to like highlight like under your eyes and like hide your under eyes. I feel like this was a really good deal. The next thing that I got from Sephora, and unfortunately the last, was this contour palette by the brand Sephora as well. This is what it looks like before me opening it, and basically you get 6 little colors, this to highlight, this to contour, and I feel like they're pretty big for the price that I paid. I feel like, once again, this is perfect for beginners. I absolutely love the colors, and the payoff is so good. Like, I used to contour a little bit on my face today. And yeah, don't shy away from the brand Sephora, because I definitely don't. All right guys, that's everything that I got from Sephora. Once again, I did film a video trying out the foundation, which is the Best Skin Ever foundation. Let me know if you guys have tried it. Let me know if you like it. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. And once again, if you haven't subscribed or like or comment, you know, let me know. Let me know if you tried any of these things. Let me know, most importantly, if you tried the foundation. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.